Today, I'm gonna upgrade my train. Yes. Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today, we will be playing Train. No wait, not Train, but Tiny Rails. Alright, so let's skip sort of the tutorial, and yeah. So let's roll this first off in the Old West food car. Nice. Now I have a new car. Let me show you how to quit. So in this game, you need to bring on your passengers and bring on food and stuff to your trains, and you can upgrade it for more to be more efficient, faster, and hold way more space. So just like this, we have another car train edit. Okay. Or you can edit our train. Great job. Okay. Can I do all aboard? So this game, what you need to do is you need to bring passengers and food and other stuff so you can get points to upgrade your train. Yes, we have completed new area, USA East. Just about to handle things on your own for a little while. Alright, North America, the landmark. Oh, okay. Let's go on the map. Let's see the map. Alright, okay. We're here. Perfect. Next stop at New York City. You can't allow you to the department. Just check auto repair depart box in the options menu. All aboard. Can I collect the coins? I got some coins. Nice. No. Alright, let's wait. So you need to travel your passengers and other stuff in this game. Oh, we're in New York City. Cool. I love New York. There's so much to see and do. Here's my friend now, right on the time. Meet Lance, one of the best accountants on the East Coast. He's nice to meet you. I hear you're taken over by Grandpa's. Okay. Increase gold. Free. There you're learning. Alright. Somebody came in my room. Okay, there's Sophia. Hey there, I'm Sophia, the train mechanic. Turn on my service and I will boost your train top speed by 25%. Check it out. Not one, but two people came in my room. What a coincidence. Okay, free. What's up, Chief? The name's Hank. I perform track maintenance. Turn on my service and I will clear any obstacles. I did not read that and I don't want to. Okay, free. Alright. So I got a gift. A coin. And I got some coins from the passenger. We can alright. I wanna upgrade the max, I wanna upgrade the max passengers and the max cars. Alright, we have 114 coins. 200%. So do that, but I don't want to waste all my gems. Alright, I'm just gonna collect my coin. All aboard! Oh. All aboard. We're going, oh my god, we're going so fast. We are going super fast. This is insane. We got some coins. Got some TNT. Oh, that's sort of like the TNT on Minecraft. Ew, that was some hard work. We should be able to sell that cargo and make some gold. Get to the station. I'll show you how. Okay. Okay, dude. Subscribe now. Free? No. It's never free. Wait, what? How can I get the... Oh, when I get to Trenton. Okay. So we need to increase our speed, definitely. No. Alright, this is gonna take a bit. But we're almost at Trenton, NJ. We're almost there. Alright. We're here. Nice. Welcome to Trenton. I'm sure you have to sell the cargo from the girl market. Sell. You look like a moccasin apples for less than that. Going great. Okay. We should buy some apples. Buy mode. Who doesn't love the smell of currant? You're really getting that hang of things. I'm impressed. Alright. Your first VIP passenger. They pay bonus gold at this. Alright. Thanks. We got this. Got some coins and 5 gems. I mean, I'm gonna watch an ad for 5 gems. Oh, I got 5 gems. Alright, I'm gonna go. Nah, just kidding. Alright, is my max passengers. Max cars. Should I get max weight? Nah, no max passengers. Max vault. Let's upgrade everything. Nice. Right, all aboard. We're going on May 1st, year number 1. Cool. It says on that. I'm gonna circle that where it says the time. Alright, we can go into preview mode. That's cool. That is very cool. I mean, like, even without, like, the 200 times boost, we seem to be going very fast. No, I'm just misunderstood. I thought that would be cool if I like do that. I thought that was like one of the tutorial stuff, but it isn't. Now let's wait for 30 more kilometers to reach Philadelphia. What? Oh my god, I don't know if you guys have realized that moon in the background. Cool, right? Oh, we're here. Welcome to Philadelphia. Nice. Can I get some of these coins? Why not? Alright. Nice. So what do we do now? Do we depart? Yes. I think that this is the last, like, trip. We're going to Dover. Ooh, I have been there. And, yes, I have. Oh, okay, guys, I'm gonna stop doing that. Give me those coins. We were closed for 9 to 20 minutes? Is that what this says? I need to level this up. think that I should level up my speed. I mean, since we're so rich, I'm gonna upgrade everything that I can. Max cargo and vault. Only 10 more coins. Dumping a lot easier with this. Oh. Well then, time to upgrade. Nice. Alright, let's wait to go to Dover. Alright, next strange. Thanks. No problem. Give me those coins and those gems. Alright, let's get that gold. Nice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think that's it for this episode. Well, guys, if you enjoyed it, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of my channel. If you enjoyed it, please remember to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. And also, if we get somehow 3 likes on this video, I will definitely make a part 2 to this, immediately, and a part 3. And a part 4, because it's for every like on this video, I will make another part. Okay? Anyways, see you next time. Bye!